The IONIQ 9 is the third EV in Hyundai's growing portfolio, but it's the first with 3 rows. Hyundai bringing us to Savannah, Georgia to drive and to learn about their latest product. This is something Hyundai really needed if they want their electric vehicles to be considered mainstream products.
Three-row SUVs, on gasoline side are super critical, right? I think every brand has a strong place in that segment, and it's a always growing segment.
The interior, particularly on the high-end calligraphy model, is very upscale. It's also very comfortable. The IONIQ 9 has the longest wheelbase of any Hyundai product, and being an EV does have its advantages.
That flat floor is awesome, right? The ability to kind of come into the car and not have a tunnel running through the middle and get to the back third row and walk right across the middle of the car and between the two captain's chairs. I have a 2-year-old son. He loves doing that, right? So it's a great open space.
We drove a top-of-the-line trim with 422 very impressive horsepower. The handling was nimble. Now, there are trims with less power. Battery range, however, for all of the IONIQ 9 trims is over 300 miles, with fast charging able to get you up to 80% charge in less than an hour. And this vehicle is made in the USA. Hyundai has built a brand new factory here in Savannah to build the IONIQ 9. It's also building IONIQ 5s and will build some future products. Let's take a look inside. Hyundai's new manufacturing complex is impressive. Lots of natural light, lots of space, also lots of automation. Now, in the near future, this complex will be able to build up to 500,000 electric vehicles and hybrids a year. Hyundai's IONIQ 9 has just started reaching dealership. Hyundai also launching a major advertising campaign for the vehicle. You're going to see that on a lot of sporting events. In Savannah, Georgia, I'm AutoBeat reporter Jeff Gilbert.